Good morning, Namaskar. Welcome to today's news bulletin. Let's dive into the latest news of the month of March. March, the month of transitions.
This is Ms. Zaria Khan.
And this is Ms. Twinkle Dheer, and you are watching New India Convent High School and Junior College Chandrapur News Bulletin. March News Bulletin. Exploring the human body. In the last week of February month, we students had the unique opportunity to explore the intricate working of the human body at the organ exhibition Tour Within Body at Government Medical College Chandrapur. The exhibition featured displays of real and model human organs, providing a fascinating glimpse into their functions. Students learned about the heart, lungs, brain, and other vital organs, gaining a deeper understanding of human anatomy and psychology. The intricate interactive displays and informative presentation made the learning experience both educational and engaging. This was a great educational experience for all of the students. We, high school and junior college students, visited medical college under the supervision of our science teacher Shabana Sheikh and Rashmi Chawle ma'am and took advantage of this visit. We had a proud feeling to find our alumnus Sahil Raipure there as medical student. It was a great scientific experience, really a tour inside the body.
Wildlife Conservation Finance, Investing in People and Planet 2025. World Wildlife Day is celebrated annually on March 3rd to raise awareness about the importance of wildlife and the need to conserve it. In celebration of this day, students from New India Convent High School and Junior College, Vasundhara Club, Eco Club raised awareness through Voice of Vulnerable, presented their ideas and thoughts on wildlife conservation. The action was integrated under the in charge of Geography Department, Rupali Madam, Vasundhara Club and Eco Club. Our enthusiastic Shivam Kale, a great tiger lover, colored his face as tiger to show his concerns for tigers. Slogans spreading concerns and awareness about wildlife were presented by Nirmala Prajapati, Shivanshi Singh, Shoiba Sheikh, Swara Korankar. Sanskruti Mahavadiwar delivered the speech about the importance of wildlife. Drawing, raising awareness and concerns on wildlife were made by Rutika Matte and many more students. Eco Club students, through their activities, emphasize the need of students and public to understand the importance of wildlife in maintaining ecological balance and the consequence of losing it. Students initiated a campaign for primary school learners to participate in wildlife conservation. The best part was participation of tiny tots of youngest Eco Club members in the Tigers Get-up from LKG Ajendra Shindre and UKG Darshan Chakraborty, Mokshad Nimje, Shivansh Chakar and Kaustubh Badaki.
Class 3 celebrates International Women's Day with inspiring tributes. Our Class 3 students, under the guidance of class teacher Madhuri Nikade and Nisha Parki, commemorated International Women's Day with a vibrant and educational program. Students dressed as iconic women figures including Indira Gandhi, Kalpana Chawla, Savitribai Phule, Mother Teresa, Rajmata Jijau, Jhansi Ki Rani, Ahilyabai Holkar, Mithali Raj, Kiran Bedi and Razia Sultana. Few of the students like Afrin Saifi as Razia Sultana, Survi Ekre as Kalpana Chawla, Devashri Patrange as Indira Gandhi, Lavanya Satpute as Jhansi Ki Rani, Shivanya Chure as Mirabai, Spruha Tote as Anandibai Joshi stole the show in the get-up of these great women. In the praise and gratitude of such great women, quotes were presented by Class 3 students.
Successful board exam completion. Our school successfully completed the HSC and SSC board examinations in the second week of March month. We extended our heartfelt congratulations to all the candidates and express our gratitude to the invigilator, staff and non-teaching staff who ensured a smooth, fair and well-organized examination period. Our designated examination center had the HSC 360 students and SSC 350 students appearing from various renowned schools. We wish all the best, the very best for their results.
रंगों की बहार, होली का त्योहार, सबके हाथों में गुलाल। न्यू इंडिया कॉन्वेंट हाई स्कूल में शिक्षकों व बच्चों ने हर्बल गुलाल से होली खेलकर त्योहार मनाया। इस अवसर पर विद्यालय के प्राचार्य वैशाली जेनेकर मैडम ने बच्चों को संबोधित करते हुए होलिका दहन का प्राचीन महत्व बताया। उन्होंने कहा, इससे हमें सीख मिलती है कि हम अपने अंदर की बुराइयों को जलाकर जीवन भर सदाचारी बने। जिस प्रकार हम एक दूसरे पर रंग व गुलाल डालकर इसे प्यार से मनाते हैं, उसी प्रकार प्रकार गुरु की सहायता से ध्यान व अभ्यास द्वारा ज्ञान की सच्ची होली अपने अंदर खेले। इस दौरान संचालक धीर सर, धीर मैडम व स्टाफ मौजूद था। शिक्षक, गैर शिक्षण कर्मचारियों ने बहुत उत्साह से मनाया रंगों का यह त्योहार।
रस्ता सुरक्षा जनजागृती सप्ताह न्यू इंडिया कॉन्व्हेंट हायस्कूल आणि ज्युनियर कॉलेज चंद्रपूर येथे पंचायत समिती चंद्रपूर यांचे वतीने रस्ता सुरक्षा जनजागृती अभियान आयोजित करण्यात आले होते। माननीय गण शिक्षण अधिकारी पंचायत समिती चंद्रपूर यांचे वतीने आयोजित करण्यात आलेले या स्पर्धेत विस्तार अधिकारी माननीय श्री धनपाल फटिंग सर आणि माननीय अर्चना वाकडे मॅडम यांचे मार्गदर्शनाखाली ही स्पर्धा घेण्यात आली। या स्पर्धेत स्वय अर्थसाहित्य शाळांनी सहभाग घेतला होता। या अभियानात चित्रकला, सामान्य ज्ञान आणि निबंध स्पर्धा तालुका व जिल्हा स्तरावर आयोजित करण्यात आल्या। या स्पर्धेत आमच्या शाळेतील 8वी ते 10वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी उल्लेखित कामगिरी केली। इयत्ता 9वीची चैताली यात्रा हिने निबंध स्पर्धेत प्रथम क्रमांक, इयत्ता 10वीच्या अनमोल पांडे यांनी सामान्य ज्ञान स्पर्धेत द्वितीय क्रमांक आणि 10वीची विद्यार्थिनी अनुष्का ठकरे हिने चित्रकला स्पर्धेत तृतीय क्रमांक पटवला। सर्व विजेत्यांनी अभिनंदन।
A tribute to nature's tiny messenger 2025. Our school, New India Convent High School Junior College, celebrated Sparrow Day to raise awareness about the declining sparrow population and encourage conservation efforts. With the joint collaboration of Vasundhara Club, Eco Club, schools organized events, presentation and discussions to educate students about the importance of sparrows and the threats they face. Students participated in activities like poster making, art competition and events. Sparrow-themed speech on why sparrow should still exist was presented by Siddhika Vadai. Slogan by Standard 6 and Standard 7 and 8 students and drawing by Hardika Matte, Swara Korankar, Shivanshi Singh. Poems on love for sparrows were presented by Hardika Matte, Manya Nagrale, Navya Vandre, Ashi Chauhan, Shoiba Sheikh, Krudant Lambert, Vishal Bhise, Anmol Singh Dhillon. Students of Eco Club encourage students to build bird house, bird feeders, plant trees, create safe nesting spaces for sparrows. The theme for World Sparrow Day 2025 is I Love Sparrows, was celebrated enthusiastically under the supervision of Rupali Badghade Madam. On 22nd March 2025, the pre-primary education section came to a successful end for the students of UKG. As the students celebrated their day of graduation from pre-primary school to primary school, children looked adorable in their graduation red robes and hats, which added to their attraction. The event saw the graduates line up nervously to receive their kindergarten diplomas from the principal, Vaishali Jenekar Madam. One by one, they went up to the podium where they received their diploma certificates. The youngsters then happily posed for pictures, all the while looking their absolute best. Few of the students expressed themselves describing about the aim in their life and some noble issues for which they would like to work on. All the young graduates enthusiastically danced on Thank You song, paying gratitude to pre-primary teachers. It was a proud, bittersweet moment, especially for the teachers who would miss their little students the most. Pre-primary teacher Krishna Shom Madam as well as Meera Madam, Sneha Madam took all the efforts for the grand success of this memorable event. Festivals where memories are made and traditions live on. Gudi Padwa is a spring festival that marks the New Year celebration for Marathi Hindus. It is celebrated on the first day of the Chaitra month according to the lunisolar Hindu calendar in Maharashtra. The festival has a lot of importance and is a notable one. So New India Convent High School and Primary Section also celebrated it a day prior on 29 March 2025. A very short information briefing the students about the festival and its importance was delivered by Marathi teacher Madhuri Vadaskar Madam. The displays and stage were decorated with colorful garland and with a beautiful gudi. The festival was celebrated in a short but sweet manner.
Prior to Eid, our school celebrated Eid to give message to students about brotherhood, spirit of love and righteousness. Eid served as a reminder to the importance of spiritual devotion, community bonds and compassion toward each others. Messages were displayed wishing happy Eid to each other.
That's all for now. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, keep shining and keep making a difference. Goodbye. Have a wonderful day ahead.